How do you say something to your angry boss? How do you handle him? An angry person is hard to crack, and you will not be able to appease or satisfy him. Today, we will tell you how to calm down your heated employer by using 4 strategies called hacks, which means to cut or break something hard. Out here, it is anger. Your boss out here is shouting at you, but you have to talk like a lawyer and give a powerful statement that justifies your mistake, which is inexcusable. So, this is what you say, after which your boss cools down. Ma'am, avoiding it simply because I knew it could fail would be a bigger mistake than this one, as it has told us what to do in the future. Now, in this statement, you make sense and your boss calms down. You can see it because you knew that she always favors the learner. And so you applied the strategy of saying that in experiments one fails 1,000 times and then reaches success. This strategy is called the experimenter hack. In future, you know that something is bound to go wrong at work. Then you can use the experimenter hack to save your skin. Again, your boss is ready to tear you apart. What will you do to relax him? Just say this: Sir, kindly excuse me this time, as it was an accident. Second time, it would be a mistake worthy of a reprimand. And third time, when it is intentional, you could fire me. In this statement, you are indirectly telling him that I was a novice, that is, unknown to this kind of a situation. You are saying, Sir, if this happens second or third time, then I am guilty. Now I am not. This strategy is called the alpha hack, which means the mistake happened by chance or by accident or for the first time. Next time, sir, it cannot happen. Sir, if you look at it carefully, you would find that it was not a stupid mistake. But yes, it was a mistake for which I apologize. Out here, in an indirect manner, you are trying to tell your boss that you need to compare the mistake with me. As a professional, I will never commit a stupid mistake ever. So even if the mistake has been committed, I apologize for that. What are you trying to do out here? You are trying to hack your boss's mind through the hack of contrast. This is an emotional hack which works very well for the smart employees. You are trying to tell your boss that whatever you can see, you can only see the mistake that has been committed, but you need to look at me as a professional. Wow, this was brilliant. Ma'am, this mistake of today is my lesson for tomorrow. In this statement, you are trying to tell your boss that she is like your mother. Look at the next one. Ma'am, there is no boss in the world who cannot find his perfect employee. You are trying to act like a sissy out here. Look at the next one. Ma'am, we shouldn't look at what is lost. We should encash our present. In this one, you're trying to tell your boss that you are the most resourceful person and I am completely dependent upon you. In all these 3 statements, you are trying to leverage upon the hack of patronage. You're trying to tell your boss that you are our guardian, our defendant, our mother, our father, our boss, our godfather, everything. You have everything for us and we are your children. What a beautiful hack is this to bring your boss onto his or her knees. If you are into this kind of a precarious situation where your boss is simply pissed off, you have no other option but one. Just shut up. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.